Two-stroke engines were once extremely popular in motorcycles, scooters, chainsaws, and small outboard motors because they were lightweight, powerful, and mechanically simple. Unlike four-stroke engines, a two-stroke engine completes one power stroke for every crankshaft revolution, giving it excellent power for its size. However, despite these advantages, two-stroke engines also have several significant drawbacks. These disadvantages are one of the main reasons most manufacturers have switched to four-stroke technology for modern road vehicles. One of the biggest disadvantages of a two-stroke engine is its high fuel consumption. During the scavenging process, some of the fresh air fuel mixture escapes through the exhaust port before combustion occurs. This wastes fuel and reduces overall efficiency. As a result, two-stroke engines generally consume more fuel than comparable four-stroke engines, making them more expensive to operate over long distances.
Another major drawback is increased exhaust emissions. Since some unburned fuel leaves the cylinder during scavenging, two-stroke engines produce higher levels of hydrocarbons, HC, carbon monoxide, CO, and visible exhaust smoke. They also require engine oil to be mixed with the fuel or injected into the intake system, which further increases smoke and particulate emissions. These higher pollution levels are a major reason why two-stroke motorcycles are no longer sold in many countries. Shorter engine life is another concern. A two-stroke engine has fewer moving parts than a four-stroke engine, but its internal components experience greater wear because lubrication is not as effective. Since lubricating oil is burned during combustion instead of continuously circulating, like in a four-stroke engine, piston rings, cylinder walls, and bearings tend to wear more quickly. Frequent maintenance and rebuilds are therefore more common with high-performance two-stroke engines. Another disadvantage is higher oil consumption. Unlike four-stroke engines that store engine oil in a separate sump, most two-stroke engines consume lubricating oil during normal operation. This means riders must regularly refill the oil tank or carefully mix the correct amount of oil with the fuel. Using too little oil can cause severe engine damage, while too much oil increases smoke, carbon deposits, and spark plug fouling. Two-stroke engines are also more prone to overheating. Because they produce a power stroke every revolution, they generate more heat than comparable four-stroke engines. Combined with less effective lubrication, prolonged high-speed riding or heavy loads can increase the risk of piston seizure, cylinder scoring, or premature engine wear if the cooling system or oil supply is inadequate.
Another limitation is their narrower power band. Although two-stroke engines can produce excellent peak power, much of that power is available only within a relatively small RPM range. Riders often need to keep the engine at higher speeds and shift gears more frequently to maintain strong performance. This can make everyday riding less smooth and more demanding compared to the broader, more flexible power delivery of a four-stroke engine. Finally, two-stroke engines require more frequent maintenance. Spark plugs tend to foul more quickly due to oil burning, carbon deposits build up inside the exhaust port and expansion chamber, and piston rings may require replacement sooner than in four-stroke engines. While repairs are often simpler because of the engine's basic design, the increased maintenance intervals can offset this advantage over time.
Overall, two-stroke engines remain popular in certain racing, off-road, and lightweight equipment applications because of their outstanding power-to-weight ratio and simple construction. However, their higher fuel consumption, increased emissions, shorter service life, greater oil consumption, overheating tendency, narrow power band, and more frequent maintenance make them less practical for most modern road vehicles. These disadvantages are the primary reasons why four-stroke engines have become the standard choice for today's motorcycles and passenger vehicles.